Hi everyone, welcome to the French countryside in Burgundy, France, and yoga on the weekend. So this yoga sequence is really a 10-minute class to restore your body after a long, hard week at work. And the reason why we're outside today actually is because it's the weekend and it's really important for your health to be outside at least one time per week to do some exercise. So go ahead and grab your water, grab your mat, come join me in this beautiful village of Dannemoine in Burgundy, France, and let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start today in seated position at the back of your mat, putting our hands up in the air, bringing them to your heart, and taking a deep breath here. Perhaps setting an intention to let go after this hard week of work. Now going into child's pose, stretching out those shoulders, that back, spreading your fingers as far as they can go towards the front of the room. Going now onto all fours and starting your cat-cow pose. Inhale, cow, exhale, bring that spine all the way back, cat. Inhale, cow, let it go. Exhale, cat, wind it up. Let's take a few deep breaths like this here. Now going into our puppy pose, so we keep our hips directly over our knees, and we're going to kind of do the same thing as in child's pose, but this gives a deeper stretch to our shoulders. So this is an amazing way to open up the shoulders after sitting all week in front of your computer. With each breath, try to go deeper into this posture, allowing for maximum stretching of the back. Wonderful, guys. Go back up on all fours, tuck your toes, and go ahead and take your first down dog of today's class. If you want, walk it out here. Do what feels good for your body. Take it slow. Bringing your left leg to the top of the room or to the top of the sky, we're going to start in down dog splits. Open up those hips. Now we're going to bring our knee to our chest and plank and back up into down dog splits. This is a great hip opener. Go ahead and bring that leg in between our feet today, and we're going to go into our first high lunge of the class. Open up your heart. Intertwine our fingers in the back of our head into Charles Munder position with the index finger out. Now we're going to slowly pump it. So we're going to straighten up that bent knee and go back down. Straighten it up, go back down. Working here on your glutes. Back into high lunge, interlace your fingers and open up your heart here, giving you a little mini back bend in this posture. Slowly come out of that mini back bend and go down into your low lunge. So bring your knee down and go down to open up your hips even more. Try to sit down deep into this posture here. Tuck your back toe, lift your knee off of the ground. Use your hands for support if necessary. And we're going to take our twisted low lunge. So go ahead and bring your left arm up to the sky. Stay strong. Great job, guys. Go ahead and put that hand back down, and we're going to go ahead and take our flow. So Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog, and whenever you're ready, go back into your child's pose here. Giving yourself a little break, a little breather. Whenever you're ready, go back into tabletop, tuck your toes, and back into downward facing dog. And we're gonna just take it all to the other side. So this time, your right leg goes up into the dog splits. We're gonna bend our knee here in just a second, put our knee to chest and plank, and go ahead and put our right leg again up to the sky in dog splits. Slowly bringing that leg down, put your right leg in between your feet and go into high lunge. Open up your heart here. Interlace your fingers into Charlie's Mudra. And we're gonna pump it. So right leg is up, not bent anymore, and down. Straighten it out, bend it down. Awesome. Great. Back into that high lunge. Interlace your fingers behind you and go ahead and open your heart here once more. Interlace your fingers into Charlie's Mudra again. Put that back knee on the mat and go into low lunge. Try to go as deep as you can into those hips to really open them. This is a great stretch, really, after you've been sitting. Tuck your back toe, lift that back knee, and go ahead into our twisted lunge. So this time, our right arm goes up to the sky. Now this is a great stretch for those of us who've been sitting all week because we tend to store a lot of negative energy in our hips, in our glutes, and our shoulders while we work. So this is a great stretch. Go ahead and put that hand down, and we're going to go ahead and take our flow. Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog. And whenever you're ready, child's pose. Great, guys. Now we're going to do the camel pose. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand up on your knees and you're going to reach for your heels. If you can't reach for your heels today, just go ahead and reach for your ankles or your calves. And we're going to take a back bend. So looking back towards the back of the room. A wonderful stretch to open up your heart, open up your asana. Let go of all of that negative energy and stress. Now to get out of this posture, slowly support your back by putting your hands on the sacrum. And once again, to allow us to stretch out the back on the other side, go ahead and go into child's pose here. Go back into seated, and we're going to just do a quick spinal twist. Start with putting your right leg over your left knee and push that knee back with your left elbow. Great, guys. This is a great way to stretch the back. Now we're going to switch to the other side. So this time you're going to take your left leg, put it over the right leg, get your right elbow and push that left knee to the end of the room. Wonderful. Go back into seated here. Put your hands up to the sky. Slowly your hands to heart. Breathe deeply here, thanking yourself for the wonderful flow you have taken with me to let go from your busy week at work. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me and taking this time to be a healthier you. I wish you nothing but light and love, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.